analytics, deep learning versus machine learning.
How is artificial intelligence used in analytics?
Machine learning is used to analyze enormous amounts of data.
It does this by sifting through information and looking for patterns.
This allows AI to find trends in data that would otherwise take years to identify. Artificial intelligence is also used for online shopping recommendations. There are websites that have a recommendation engine where users can type in items they want, and the site will find other things in the same category that they might be interested in. AI is also employed in the healthcare industry. As we live longer, it is important that doctors make sure patients are healthy before prescribing certain drugs. By analyzing medical records, AI can predict diseases that patients may face in the future.
The Internet of Things is rapidly becoming one of the biggest technological advances since the introduction of the smartphone.
Today, IoT is already disrupting industries across the world and creating new opportunities for businesses of any size. We worked with leading experts and real-world case studies to distill the key insights and lessons learned from deployments in manufacturing, retail, utilities, transportation and infrastructure, consumer goods, automotive, aerospace and defense, healthcare, home appliances, government, and public services sectors.
AI predictions.
People are spending more time on social media, shopping online, and using apps, so the average person spends way more money online today than they did back then. Although many large corporations use buy systems, most don't consider deploying them internally according to the Gartner Magic Quadrant report. Cognitive computing, AI enables machines to think like humans. It provides decision-making capabilities, allowing analysts to perform tasks such as sentiment analysis, forecasting and pattern recognition in real time. Deep learning and neural networks, AI, are already being applied across various industries including retail, healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and marketing.
One example is Amazon Alexa, which uses deep learning techniques to recognize speech patterns and respond appropriately.
Natural language processing, NLP, is another key area that will significantly enhance the productivity of BI teams. When combined with cognitive computing, NLP can be used to generate meaningful insights from text-based data sources. In fact, some experts predict that by 2020, 80% of all jobs will require human judgment, but only 20% of workers will need advanced skills in math, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The potential benefits of AI in BI applications include these aspects. Accuracy and speed. Advanced technology has enabled biometric identification systems to quickly scan customers' irises and faces, while facial recognition can track movements and detect changes over time. Ease of use. AI powered by can deliver accurate analysis directly into the hands of end users, making tasks easier, quicker, and more efficient. Cost savings. Using AI, companies can save millions of dollars annually by automating manual processes and eliminating redundancies. Productivity gains. AI eliminates repetitive tasks and offers faster results, reducing bottlenecks and freeing up time for higher, valuable activities.
So, how does it work?
There are two main approaches to AI: machine learning and neural networks. Neural networks take this concept further by training artificial neurons to mimic the function of actual neurons in our brains.
How biometrics identify customers.
Biometrics is the science of measuring physical traits, such as fingerprints, palm prints, DNA, voice prints, retinas, and even body heat, to identify individuals. That way, if someone tries to charge something on your account, it will only succeed if your thumbprint matches what's stored in the database.
Optimizing your website.
If you think the internet was created solely for fun, marketing, and commerce, then you're wrong.
The World Wide Web was built for one reason: communication. Personalized customer service.
As consumers continue using smart devices and grow accustomed to personalized experiences, companies must adapt to meet their needs.
They need to anticipate what their customers want and create targeted experiences that resonate with them. Security through biometrics.
Today, most security systems rely on passwords.
Biometrics, however, eliminates this problem.
Instead of requiring people to remember complex codes, biometric authentication relies on unique physical characteristics like fingerprints, eye scans, hand geometry, and voice prints.
Chatbots are here to stay.
For many years, chatbot applications had limited functionality. These bots can conduct simple tasks like finding a restaurant near you or sending a message on behalf of another person.
Virtual assistants are becoming increasingly popular among businesses.
The reason?
They save money, time, and resources. The Internet of Things is on its way up. If you own a home, chances are you're already familiar with the term smart home.
You may use smart thermostats and lighting fixtures, and some devices might even warn of potential dangers.
Augmented reality brings together digital and real-world elements.
Today, augmented reality apps can provide directions to the nearest store or give tips on how to solve problems at home.
Robots will automate human jobs. But as computing power improves, robotic systems will become smarter, allowing them to do more complicated jobs.
Cybercrime costs $600 billion annually.
Hackers target websites, steal sensitive information, and destroy valuable assets.
To minimize risk, IT departments should consider investing in cybersecurity solutions. Customer stories in business using AI. As well as being an effective way to reduce seizures, the ketogenic diet has helped many people lose weight, improve memory, control mood swings, and manage chronic pain. The diet has also shown promise in treating some types of cancer and neurological diseases like epilepsy. The Future of Work report predicts that automation will eliminate 7.5 million US jobs over the next decade. According to Gartner, there will be a tipping point between 2020 and 2025 when more than 75% of enterprises will start deploying AI. As a result, only 20% of organizations use AI today.
How can I prepare? Here are my top 5 recommendations.
1. Understand what AI is and why it's so important.
2. Hire people who are willing to innovate. 3. Develop new processes to ensure consistency. 4. Adopt cloud computing.
5. Create a flexible workforce. What makes deep learning different?
Neural networks contain multiple layers of neurons. Nodes in one layer make predictions about nodes in the next layer.
You can find real-world applications in image recognition, speech recognition, self-driving cars, computer vision, natural language processing, recommendation systems, fraud detection, and medical diagnosis. What types of datasets support deep learning?
Image classification.
Text classification.
On the other hand, phrases like "it is raining and I hate it." The benefits of machine learning in business.
In today's digital age, every company needs to have its own data strategy. Some businesses focus more on the internal side of things, whereas others prefer to look outward to see what the customer is saying about them. However, whatever the case may be, when it comes to data collection, it is important that you understand the importance of data analytics,